Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name's Taylor. If you're new here, this is Christian, my boyfriend. Today's video is very exciting. I'm just gonna take you along my day. Started out Sunday doing a little morning workout with Christian and my parents at Locomotion in Princeton, New Jersey. Feeling good. Yeah, and now we are about to tour our very first apartment complex because we are starting our apartment search to move in together for the first time. Yay! You just stripped on yourself.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No!
If you guys are new here, me and Christian have been together since we were, well, we've known each other since we were like 10. He's my first kiss when we were 10. We've been together since we were 13 years old. So this is a long time coming, and I'm very excited. Are you really excited too?
Yeah.
To live together?
I mean, look at these places. They look nice as...
Yeah, I'll show you guys the outside of it.
Give them a little pan.
Yeah, here's a little pan. Looks like this, really cute. All like 90% of the apartments have balconies, so that's really nice. And yeah, we're looking for a 1-bedroom. We just need to move closer to his work because right now, you can tell them how far you work.
Oh, I'm driving like an hour a day. Well, there, like round trip, it's like 2 hours.
Yeah, it's really long, and like I'm only like 25 minutes away from where I work from home. We're just looking to move closer to his work and just move out together and be on our own for the first time. We have another tour scheduled in a different area next weekend too, so that'll be our second apartment, and we're just gonna keep touring apartments until we find a good one. I'm excited to go in. I've said excited probably like 100 times, but yeah, let's go tour. Are you?
No. Just hang out with residents, let people meet each other. Wine pour, ice machine, they're just for people to use as they wish. Yeah. Library with a bunch of... For like a food spot, breakfast and lunch spot, I think would fit in great.
Oh wow. This is nice.
Ooh, breaking out the actual camera. Really better quality.
Wow.
So this is like this is the 2-bedroom. This is the 2-bedroom. The master bathroom in that room there is not going to be like the one in the 1-bedroom.
Okay.
It's going to be just like the one here in the guest room. Okay. And you were saying that like this is kind of like similar size kind of living room. So I was looking at the dimensions. I mean, the living room is like a similar shape, but I'd say cut it a foot this way and this way. Got it. But I'd say this living room is the same size as the bedroom. Oh, the bedroom. Yeah.
Oh, this is a nice shower. Oh, that's cool.
I do have a 2-sink apartment available. It's 2-bedroom. If you're interested, it goes for 28.
I like all the windows.
Saves some money. Yeah.
So like this living room you said is the size of the other living room?
Like our master, like the master bedroom.
And I believe there was a walk-in. There definitely was a walk-in closet. It's going to be like that size that you're walking in right there, Chris.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, does someone actually live here?
No, actually.
Is this just for show?
Well, so we keep our stock in there. We actually keep our fridge stocked for everyone. I actually do need to restock it. It's looking pretty pathetic actually now. But I was going to offer, would you like anything? I have cold drinks in here. I have snacks. I can grab them water myself.
Christian, do you want a drink or anything?
No, all right. I always like to have my hot coffee with my cold drinks. I need the balance.
I like this tree, Christian.
She loves the trees, the green.
Yeah, this is all done by West Elm.
Oh wow, I love West Elm.
She's happy, then you're happy.
Exactly. Is this like a restaurant? Like
I assume there's like jungle stuff everywhere.
It's basically like jungle theme.
Like you feel. Yeah, I think the bedroom in the 1-bedroom will be a little bigger. You have the coat closet and you have the big walk-in.
And also, another question was asked, like,
So it looks like that one's kind of got the nicer washer and dryer setup with a little extra space we can put like cleaning supplies. So they don't, because heater and the washer dryer in its little closet together. It's kind of like this size. Yeah. So it's kind of like a closet this size with, you know, you got the hot water heater, washer, dryer next to each other, so you can like tuck some things next to it.
All right, so we just got done our tour at the apartment complex. Christian, what are your thoughts on it?
It's nice.
It's
really nice. Open. A lot of white, which you like.
A lot of white, a lot of windows. He actually showed us a 2-bedroom option, but like some parts of the 2 bedrooms are about the size of like pieces of the 1 bedroom, if you guys can understand that. But he also gave us like the layout. He gave us this paper, which is like the layout of the 1 bedroom. Looks like that. But he did show us a 2-bedroom only because that's the only model that they had, because
huge counter space.
The other ones are obviously lived in and we just can't see them. But yeah, we kind of got a good idea. All right, hi guys, it's a little bit later. Actually, no, it's a couple days later. I'm actually on Temple's campus. This is my cousin Sydney. She goes to Temple now. She's a freshman. You can tell them a little bit about yourself.
I don't know.
What's your major?
Oh, I'm a bio major. I live in this.
In the View. She lives in the View.
It's a really cool looking building.
We're right outside. Allie used to live here, so if you guys watched my other videos, you would have seen Allie's little apartment when I would come to her place all the time. She also works at the Tech. She took over my spot at the Tech. She's a worker there, so if you guys go to Temple and see her at the desk, say hey. You're probably like, oh, is that Taylor Sison? Because she kind of looks like her, but it's not.
That's so funny.
But I'm on Temple's campus because today there's like a little event in Philly with Flywheel Sports and Redken, like the hair product line. They're promoting their new dry shampoos. They invited us out to test out their new dry shampoo after we take a spin class.
We're gonna die.
Yeah, I have not taken a spin class since I went to Temple. So.
I've never taken a spin class.
I'm really scared. I'm nervous. We're gonna sweat a lot, so we shall see how they do with our hair afterwards, because they said they're gonna have some Redken hairstylists there to like make our hair look good with their dry shampoo after a spin class. So we're gonna test that out. But yeah, we're gonna head over to Vanessa's because Vanessa is coming as well, and then we're gonna go take a spin class. So yeah, old stomping grounds. How crazy. Okay, so we are now at Vanessa's apartment. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing to this spin class. I'm gonna sweat a crap ton, so I'm not gonna wear a shirt, but I am gonna wear a sports bra, obviously. So got my pink, but it's black, pink sports bra, and then these Lululemon like army green olive color Fast and Freeze. Okay, this is Sydney's OOTD to the spin class. She's wearing Gymshark. How cute! I love that. I like the top.
Thanks.
This is Vanessa's Gym OOTD.
Okay, so I'm wearing Gymshark, Vital Seamless,
I'm not on the Gymshark trend.
Camo Energy Bra, Soul Cycle Sweatshirt, North Face Adidas.
Adidas Ultra Boost. Adidas.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Night jogger.
Okay, we're going in. I'm on 29.
If you guys want some help, just raise your hand up high. It might take us a minute to get to you, but we're all eyes and ears on deck, so we got you.
Hey guys, we're gonna die. There's Vanessa all the way over there.
We'll get started in just a minute. Does anyone else need help before we...
Hey, we're done class. Vanessa's snacking. Wanna take a shot with us? Alright guys, post class. We're done.
Yeah,
we're gonna do something to our hair.
Wait, I'm gonna be Taylor.
Okay, so we're gonna take a shot. These core shots from Malibu. I love Malibu.
Wait, I'm gonna take one too.
Black Magic. It is charcoal, ginger, lemon, and coconut. Shots. Okay, cheers together. Cheers.
Oh my god. Spicy. mouth is on fire.
Yum, yum, yum.
Because I tried to add it as a gift card.
Alright, so I'm ending the vlog off here. I want to start doing a question of the day at the end of every video. So if you guys submit one on Instagram or leave a comment down below with the question, I will look through them and answer one in the next vlog. So this was a question through my Instagram. Moody, me and you asked how to deal with criticism of being in a biracial relationship if you ever had it. I've never experienced that like to my face. Maybe people are thinking it, but I did experience it through a comment one time my sophomore year. I remember waking up in my dorm. I posted a video summer going into my sophomore year. Me and Christian made the boyfriend tag video, and this person just commented this really disgusting thing about if Christian ever had kids, like he would never, like the kid would not look like him because it would be mixed, and like he would never feel like it's his kid or something like that. It was really mean, really disgusting. And I just remember being like, I was really sad about it at the time because I was like, how are people like still in this world that actually think like that? Everybody around me was super supportive and positive, and like they're like, don't even worry about that, like whatever. So I've never experienced it to my face, but someone did make a comment. But I do remember in like elementary school, like I would get made fun of for being Asian. I'm over that now, like I really could care less, and no one has made comments ever since like elementary school when people were immature. And even sometimes in middle school. But then like when me and Christian started dating in middle school, like no one ever made comments about us being biracial couple. I usually don't let comments get to me like that, but since it was about my relationship, I was like, what the heck. But yeah, that is the question of the day. That was kind of deep, but anyway, I hope you guys have a great day, rest of your night, whatever time you're watching this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.